If you watch one ad, you will get 30 cents. Watching second ad, you will earn 54 cents. Watch third ad will get you 62 cents, and so on and so forth. And using the trick shown in this video, you can make $2.49 every minute watching Google Ads. And this works in every country. And in the end of this video, I will show you a bonus trick that will help you to earn $800 a day in pure passive income using this new website. So step number 1 is to come over to this website where you can earn money by watching ads on Google. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. To get started with this website, just click on where it says sign up now. Then all you have to do is enter your full name, your email address, your password, and your date of birth. One most important thing is always remember your server number, because when you log in again to your account, it will ask for your server name. Once you sign up, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I have received $10 as a sign-up bonus to my account. Now let me show you how we can earn even more money to our account. So you can see there are 5 ads which we can watch. Starting with the first ad, we will get 54 cents for watching this Google website ad. So let us open this ad by clicking on this complete button under this ad. It will show you, please don't close this page recording your visit. And then we will be taken to the website on Google search engine, where we will be shown an ad like this, and on the top right corner, you can see the countdown of 35 seconds running. We will just wait here for 35 seconds to complete. But make sure while you are waiting for the 35 seconds to hit 0, you will be shown the skip button on top right corner. Just click it and you will be taken back to our dashboard where you can see that we have been already credited with 57 cents to our account. And now our account balance has become $10.57. Now I want you to repeat the process for all 4 other ads showing on your screen right now. One thing you must have noticed is that now you have left with only 3 more ads to watch, which means that you can only watch 5 ads in every 24-hour period. So if you try to find the first ad we watch, you cannot find that ad because now that ad will be available to watch after 24 hours. But don't worry, I will show you how you can still make $2.49 every minute again and again. But before that, like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your country name. So step number 2 is for making $2. All you have to do is create several accounts on this website. For example, you can create 10 accounts. So if you have 10 accounts, you will earn a total $24.90 within a few minutes. Don't worry if you do not have a lot of email addresses, because here is a bonus tip just for you to create multiple accounts. Let me show you something, but first, let me log out of my account and create a new account by clicking on sign up again. Now on next page, you can just enter a different full name, your password, and your date of birth. And for the new email address, I want you to come over to tempmail.org. Tempmail is a website where you can find unlimited temporary mail for completely free. Your temporary email will be shown in this box. You can just press this icon to copy your email. Come over to our website and paste your temporary email address in this box. Remember your server number because we will use it whenever we will log into this website. So just click on sign up and you will be logged into your brand new account. Now to create another account on this website, all you have to do is come over to Tempmail again and get another mail from here. But before that, make sure you copy your previous mail from Tempmail, which we used to create second account on our ads watching website. So now we can use this new email addresses on this website. Just like this, you can easily create 10-20 accounts for completely free. Now to make $800 in pure passive income. Step number 3 is I want you to go to the left side of your dashboard and under my account, click where it says invites earnings. We will be taken to this page where you can see that every time someone signs up using our link, we will earn dollars per referral. At the same time, the referral will get $10 of sign-up bonus. And here you can see our referral link. Now let me share with you the secret bonus that you can make $800 a day, or even more in this complete passive income. So for this step, let us go over to facebook.com and in the search box, search for Make Money Online and press enter. Now select the groups option from here and then select public groups right here. This will help us to find a public groups which are open for anyone to join. So you can see all these groups that will be listed. For example, if I click on this group right here, I will be taken to this page where I can see a lot of posts with various offers to make money online. So all you have to do is to create a post just like this one here. So if only 160 people out of thousands of people from this group sign up using your referral link, you will be making an easy $800 a day on Caship.com. Now let me show you the best way to create a Facebook post for our referral link in this group. So let us click right here. So I am going to write, I earned $100 from this site by just watching ads. It is totally free. Just comment how below and I will send you the details. Now for the image, let us come back to Caship.com, click on the live payments option shown over here and it will show you some payment proofs of this website. Now I want you to save any one of these proofs to your device. device. And because we wrote that we made $100 in our Facebook post, I would suggest you to save this image to your computer device. Then next, we will go back to Facebook and click right here to attach the image. So this is how the post will look like. You can repeat this process in several other Make Money online Facebook groups. And trust me, after some time, you will start getting even more money than $800 a day. And in the starting, you can just try to get about 10-30 people to sign up every day, which means you will be making about $1,500 to $4,500 per month from the simple Facebook posts. And to withdraw your earnings from this website, all you have to do is to click where it says withdrawal. It will take you to this page where you can see that they have basically 5 options for you to withdraw your earnings: PayPal methods, Skrill method, Pair method, Western Union method, and Google Play gift card method. And all of these 5 methods have a minimum withdrawal limit of $70, and maximum you can withdraw up to $100 in a day. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tutorials, and please help me get 300 likes on this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.